Children, I'll speak on Pythagoras theorem right now. Okay, this is your exercise 6.5. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Let me explain here. It, it's a triangle. Triangle has three sides. Pythagoras theorem. There need to be a right angle. Yes, 90 degree होना चाहिए. Perpendicular. This is perpendicular. Altitude is called perpendicular. This is called the base. Opposite to 90 is called hypotenuse. These are the three. It should be a right angle triangle. Other two are acute angles less than 90. Now, what is Pythagoras theorem? It is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Very simple. Statement is the longest side, okay, the hypotenuse opposite to 90 सबसे लंबा side होता है. Other two sides are smaller than that. So hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Other two sides, sum means square means perpendicular square plus base square. This is Pythagoras theorem, where h square is equal to p square plus b square. That is, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Other two sides means perpendicular and base. Okay, this is the concept of Pythagoras theorem statement. So hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. Okay, this is what means Pythagoras theorem. And derivation, simplified form of this is also there, that is p square is equal to h square minus b square, or sometimes we find b square, that is h square minus p square. These are the two substitute formula for these two things. Perpendicular, if I want to find, perpendicular square will be equal to hypotenuse square minus base square, and base square will be equal to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. Why hypotenuse square? Square is earlier because the longest side is the hypotenuse. Okay, this is all about Pythagoras theorem. It was given by the Pythagoras, Greek philosopher. That's the name come. Okay, on the basis of this, a small question. Suppose where it is used. Suppose a tree is there. A tree is there. The height of the tree need to be found. Its shadow is there. Okay, this always makes 90 degree with the ground. Suppose the distance between the tree and the person standing here, is 50 meter, and this distance, suppose I know it's 80 meter. I can easily find the height of the tree. Or if the height of the tree is known, I can find the distance between the human being, the person, and the top of the tree. That can be found out. This is the relationship between H, P and B. Okay, this is what are the uses, like ladder laying on the wall. Ladder length I know the distance between the wall and the ladder. I can find the height of the wall. This is some usefulness of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, uses of Pythagoras, application of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, okay, a tree is broken down at the height of 5 meter from the ground, and the top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meter from the base. 12 meter from the base से top of the tree का distance है 12 meter. Find the original height of the tree. What is the height of the tree? This has to be found. Let us name A, B, C. So if I find AC, I can find AC and AB add. I can add both of them. Okay, that will be the height of the tree. So the height of tree will be AC plus AB. AB, you know it. With the help of 12 and 5, you will find the hypotenuse and add this 2. That will be the height of the tree. Okay, this is one application of Pythagoras theorem. Thank you so much.